Okay, this is Weather Outlook. This is Saturday, June 21st. Your full day of summer here, the solstice. Things daylight gets shorter from here on out, if that's any consolation. But we're into a heat wave, and again, this is your 72-hour updated forecast for northeastern PA and northern New Jersey. Okay, this is Saturday afternoon temperatures. You can see down towards the south, towards Allentown, Reading. Um, you can see temperatures down that way, even out by Sunbury. You can see temperatures have reached 90 today. Mountains are in the lower 80s. The valleys are into the mid 80s and stuff like that. So we're just getting started. The real feel today. um, It's pretty much exactly the same, as the temperatures, but that'll change starting tomorrow. Now, on Sunday, the humidity starts to bring things up a little bit. You can see more 80s. You can see even the Poconos are into the upper 80s. Up towards Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, upper 80s, could hit 90. North Jersey, you're getting a break. You're the extreme northwestern part of New Jersey, it's in the mid 80s. But elsewhere, things are heating up now with that humidity increase. There you go with your real feel, what it feels like when you're outside, and you can see up in the Poconos, upper 90s, I should say, and then as the further south you go, temperatures feel like they're 100 or more. So very dangerous. Make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you have loved ones that if they don't have air conditioning or fans, that maybe you can get them out to this to a store or something and let them walk around where it's cool. As we go into Tuesday, or Monday, I should say. Now, here's Monday. You can see temperatures everywhere, basically in the 90s. But if you look out towards the east, towards Newark, um, you got to keep an eye on those temperatures. Now, this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, what it looks like right now. And you can see, like I said, a lot of 90s. The real fill temperature at this point in time. Even the valleys is up over 100. Most Poconos up 100. Everybody's just 100 degrees or more. You look out in North Jersey, you can see 107. You go further down towards Trenton, you can see like 110. So it's really hot. But again, take a look over there by New York on the map here. You see those oranges there? You kind of have a backdoor cold front. I'm going to show you this real slow. You can see it moving across. And this takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening. Let's get back to the temperature chart here. And as you can see, your temperatures where that front is backed up are in the mid 70s. So you hear a lot about this heat wave, but just remember, there's a little dink in the heat wave coming through. Up again at 8 o'clock at night, temperatures are mostly in eastern PA. And all, they were basically in the upper 80s at that point in time. Here's your real feel. You can see 8 o'clock at night still feels like upper 90s for eastern Pennsylvania, but that little front thing over in Jersey there, you can see it. It's even cooled the apparent temperatures off. Now we move this a little further ahead, and you can see this is overnight temperatures, and this is around, let's get this to the morning hours. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see temperatures are bottomed out in the 80s, even out in eastern New Jersey there. Temperatures are beginning to pick back up again. So that kind of gives you a hint what's going to happen as we get into the afternoon hours. Here's your afternoon. Temperatures in the 90s, mid 90s in Jersey. It's still pretty hot out there. The humidity on Tuesday has brought those real field temperatures back up into the upper 90s to 100 or so. So, a very uncomfortable day if you're outside. If you have to work outside, please stay hydrated. That's a big deal for you right there. And as we just move this out a little further, it's around 8 o'clock in the evening, and you can still see temperatures Tuesday evening at around 8 are still pretty warm out there. And so it's still uncomfortable. Okay, we'll update this thing on Tuesday. Everybody take care.